Hey guys! Welcome back for another episode of balloon tutorial video. So today I decided to make a Mother's Day balloon bouquet, and yeah, since Mother's Day is just around the corner, so I decided to make one, show you some Mother's Day balloon bouquet ideas. From my previous video, I do those bigger bouquets, but this time I decided to make it a tabletop size. So yeah, I have here the mini foil balloons that's spelled as MOM, M-O-M. They are in a rose gold colors. Also, I have here this Happy Mother's Day heart foil balloon. This is the standard size, or the 18-inch size. And then I have here two of the chrome pink, rose gold, the smaller rose gold chrome. And then I also have here four, the regular latex ones. I kind of double stuffed this with the pink, the light pink, and a purple one to kind of give it like a more radiant, a different color. And also I have here some florals. These are the artificial flowers. And then I also have here the Semper text. They are the reflex purple and pink. I also have here my dashes, my hand pump, and I also have here, as you notice, I have here the Qualatex sizer. I am going to use the 7-inch and the 5-inch ones. Okay, so now I'm going to start making my base. So I have here four of the double stuffed pink balloon. I am just going to inflate this and will use my sizer to make it a quad.
Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my tongue. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my tongue. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Alright, 'cause I'm
okay guys, so now I have here the inflated quad. This is going to be my base. So this one, I inflated this in a 7-inch size, and then this one is inflated in 5.5 size as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this on top, and then I'm just gonna grab here an extra neck of the balloon. Okay guys, so now that we have inflated our three letters here, so we know that our letter O is going to be our in between. So this is what I'm gonna use to tie it into the on top of the base. So here I'm gonna use this twisting balloon to tie.
We'll be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Alright, 'cause I'm freer than I've ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm freer than I've ever been before. Alright, 'cause I'm freer than I've ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm free.
There you have it. You can actually do this in other colors. So yeah, I just love this combination of rose gold, the purple, the chrome purple, and then this lighter pink one. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more balloon tutorial videos. Bye! See you guys in our next video.